Hi everyone, my name is Denise Natarin and I live in Salt Lake City, Utah for 14 years now. And I'm married, have four kids. My older daughter, Jimena, 18 years old. My only boy, Axel Jr., 14. Alexa, 10 years old. And Elian, 8 years old. And before living in Salt Lake City, I used to live in Nashville, Tennessee, and Bowling Green, Kentucky as well. So currently, I'm a State Young Women's President, and I love my calling. I've been in this calling for 2 years, and I really enjoy work with the youth. My husband is a first counselor from our ward, and we just love work in the church. Traveling, we don't travel a lot outside USA, but we do travel here in the USA. We go to California every other year to visit my sisters. We also go back to Nashville, Tennessee. We have a wonderful friends and family still living there. And here in Utah, we love to go camping every summer. Our kids love to go to Lake Powell in Arizona, and it's just so much fun over there in summer. Here in Utah, there's a wonderful places to go hiking and camping, so we don't have to go that far sometimes. Um, and I have a full time job. I have a cleaning company, and I also help my husband with his business company. And that's why I choose my bachelor in business management. Right now, I almost done with my associates on business management, and I have plans to continue for my bachelor. I'm really excited, and I've been learning a lot on BYU Idaho, and I'm so glad for this school that allow me to study and to work and to be a mom and everything. As far as grading, I think my favorite thing about is the tender mercy that means in one assignment I really look up to. And so far about regarding grading, I think that my my percentage will be the semester long accountability project to be 25%. My weekly case study grade ups to be 20%. Writing is not my strong, so I would like to keep it low. My weekly accountability quiz to be 35% and 360-degree peer evaluation 20%. Like I said, writing is not my strong, but I also don't want the accountability project to take a big chunk of my grade. But I think into about don't rely much of my grading on group projects or group meetings. So I think this will be my ideal grading. Um, so I'm really excited for this class, and I'm really excited to get to know everyone. And I wish everyone good luck. And so we will see you around.